To add a practice loop, tap the loop icon located at the bottom right of the screen, just below the scrubber. Here you'll have the option to choose from a preset section by tapping the drop-down menu and scrolling to your selected marker. You can also input specific measures you want to loop by typing that in the From and To fields. Tap the blue check mark when you're ready to implement your loop, or tap the X to close without saving. Now let's take a listen. Once you're ready to remove the loop from the song, simply tap the loop icon, now highlighted in orange, and tap the Remove Loop button.